It was a quiet Monday morning when Ethan, the owner of an online electronics store, opened his sales dashboard. The numbers stared back at him, lots of visitors but barely any conversions. Frustrated, he called his friend Mia, who had recently doubled her business revenue with a simple tweak. "What's your secret?" Ethan asked. Mia smiled. "Add chatbots. They changed the game for my website." Ethan raised an eyebrow. "Chatbot? Isn't that just another fancy gimmick?" Mia leaned in, explaining how her website faced similar struggles: high bounce rates, cart abandonment, and confused visitors dropping off. "The problem isn't traffic, Ethan. It's engagement. People visit but leave because they're either overwhelmed or can't find what they need." Curious, Ethan listened as Mia broke it down. Challenge 1: visitors struggle to find what they need. Many users left Mia's site because they couldn't navigate the vast product range. Her AI chatbot solved this by acting as a 24/7 guide, instantly answering questions like, "Do you have gaming laptops under $1,000? Or what's the best smartphone for photography?" By offering tailored suggestions, the chatbot turned casual browsers into confident buyers. Challenge 2: cart abandonment. Ethan groaned, recalling his own cart abandonment issues. "They select items but never check out," he said. Mia nodded. Her chatbot sent polite reminders to users who left items behind, even offering personalized discounts to nudge them toward completing their purchase. Challenge 3: building trust and engagement. Mia explained how her chatbot built instant credibility by addressing facts about shipping, returns, and product quality. Customers felt cared for. Ethan, "It's like having a salesperson greet them the moment they enter the store." Ethan was sold. He decided to integrate an AI chatbot, and within weeks, his conversion rate skyrocketed. Your CRO transformation awaits. Just like Ethan, you can revolutionize your website's conversion rates. At Search for Online, we offer AI chatbot solutions tailored to your business needs. From development to installation and maintenance, we've got you covered. Your audience is waiting. Will you greet them with the help they need? Visit the link in the description to start your transformation today.